Today, we're tackling something super important for your financial health: your credit score. We're going to uncover 3 big mistakes that can really hurt it, so you can avoid them and build a stronger financial future. First up, the classic blunder: missing a payment. It might seem small, but your payment history makes up a huge 35% of your credit score. Next, let's talk about maxing out your credit cards. This is all about credit utilization, which is how much credit you're using. Compared to your total available credit, lenders prefer to see you using less than 30% of your available credit. When that bar crosses the line, even if you pay on time, it signals higher risk and can lower your score. Our third mistake is closing old credit accounts. It might seem like a good idea to simplify, but your length of credit history is a key factor. Closing an old card reduces the average age of your accounts and your total available credit, which can negatively impact your score. Now you know the 3 big mistakes to avoid. By setting autopay, keeping balances low, and maintaining old accounts, you're on your way to a fantastic credit score.